measurement of angles. There are three systems for measurement of angle. One is sexagesimal system called degree measure also, and this is a English system, right? In which in this degree measure system, right angle, one right angle, this is your suppose right angle, then this right angle, suppose this is OA, suppose this is OA and this is B. So BOA is right angle. Then this right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. So this is divided in 90 equal parts, right? Is called 1 degree, right? So one right angle is divided in 90 equal parts is called 1 degree, and 1 degree is divided in 60 equal parts is called 1 minute. 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts is called 1 minute, and 1 minute is divided in 60 equal parts is called 1 second. For 1 degree we are going to use, for degree measure is this symbol 1 degree. This is read as a 1 degree. For 1 minute we are going to put 1 dash, that is this is called 1 minute, and for second 1 second is denoted as 1 second. So in short, a right angle is divided into 9 equal parts is called 1 degree, right? And 1 degree divided in 60 equal parts is called 1 minute, and 1 minute is divided in 60 equal parts is called 1 second. That everything is learned, you learn in फिजिक्स ऑल्सो. आपने फिजिक्स में सब कुछ सीख लिया है, और आपको ये भी पता है कि डिग्री में से रेडियन भी है, और एक और सिस्टम कैसे चेंज करते हैं रेडियन से डिग्री से रेडियन, वो आपने सब फिजिक्स में सीख लिया है. सो दिस इज अ रिवीजन ऑफ फिजिक्स ऑल्सो, राइट? सो इन शॉर्ट, वन राइट एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. दिस नोटेशन यू नो वेरी वेल. And 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So second system for measurement of angle is centesimal system, right? Is called French system, right? In this system, again, a right angle is divided into 100 centesimal, that is center. Your century means 100. So this is divided in 100 equal parts, right? Is called 1 grade. Is called 1 grade, right? Here right angle is divided in 90 equal parts is called 1 degree. Here is called grade. And 1 grade is divided in 100 equal parts is called 1 minute, and 1 minute is divided into equal 100 parts is called 1 second, right? So 1 right angle is equal to 100 grade. So this is the symbol for grade. 1 grade is equal to 100 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 100 second. And this is not in your syllabus, but this is only for your information, so I am not discussing more about this. Now most important measure is circular system, that is radian system, right? So in this system, angle is measured in radian. Angle is measured in radian, and for radian there is a symbol 1 radian. Either you can write 1 radian like this, or you can use 1 radian symbol, right? So these all are symbol for radian measurement, right? So for this radian measure, defining radian measure, right? Let us consider one circle, right? This is a circle called unit circle, and this is the most important circle now. Unit circle is now most important for study of trigonometry, right? And in 11th standard, defining all trigonometric functions and all aspects, this unit circle is most important. So circle with center origin, right? Center origin, that is O, right? So this axis must be थोड़ा ऊपर होना चाहिए था, चलेगा. This is x axis, this is x dash axis, this is y, and this is y dash, right? So circle with center O, origin, and radius 1 unit, So this is a radius you know this is radius 1 unit is called a unit circle, is called a unit circle, right? So unit circle is circle with center origin O 0 0 and radius 1 unit, and the equation of this unit circle is, remember this thing, x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is very useful equation, सर यूनिट सर्कल इक्वेशन, राइट? जो यूनिट सर्कल है इसका जो इक्वेशन है वो ऐसा आएगा x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1, राइट? ये आपको याद भी रखना है, राइट? सो दिस इज वी आर कंसीडरिंग अ यूनिट सर्कल विथ रेडियस 1 यूनिट and center 0 0 is called a unit circle. So this is unit circle, right? So एक बार मैं बोलूंगा भाई unit circle, that means you have to consider center origin and radius 1 unit, right? So this is a circle, right, with center origin and radius 1 unit. Now let us consider a point A here on O x axis. This is the intersection of circle and axis is called a point A. So this is point A, right? Now we consider arc AP, OP, arc AP. Arc is AP. So this is arc AP. So this is your arc AP. We consider this arc AP of unit length. That is, length of this arc is 1 unit. I don't know which is the unit. Only you have to consider 1 unit. If you take centimeter, then centimeter, meter, then meter, millimeter, then millimeter, nanometer, then nanometer, whatever it may be, right? So let us consider an arc of length 1 unit, right? Then the AP is equal to 1 unit, that you know, length of arc, you know, length of arc AP. This is the symbol, right? You use notation in 10 standard. So length of arc AP is equal to 1 unit. Then the angle subtended by this arc at origin. Then the angle subtended by this arc AP at the origin is called 1 radian. Is called 1 radian, right? Means what is the radian? Radian measure means angle subtended by a length arc of length 1 unit at origin is called a 1 radian, right? Got it? Is called a 1 radian. Now we find out a relation between this degree measure and radian measure, right? So suppose again we consider this unit circle with center O and radius 1 unit. This is a unit circle, and you know, right? So now we are going to establish a relation between, degree measure and radian measure, right? So for relation between degree measure and radian measure, I think it is better to explain after finishing. I want to, ये मैं सब निकालता हूँ उसके बाद लिखते हैं तो अच्छा रहेगा, है ना? Now relation between radian measure and degree measure, as we discussed before cleaning this board. Okay, so now consider a unit circle. So suppose this is a unit circle, right? Now you have to understand, आपको पता है कि unit circle means a circle with center origin and radius 1 unit. So this is center origin, radius 1 unit. So this point is A10. This is x axis, this is x dash axis, this is y axis, and this is y dash axis, right? So consider a unit circle with center origin and radius 1 unit, right? Now you know that one complete rotation from this OA, right? This is one complete rotation of OA from starting from here to right like this, right? As we saw like this. Suppose this is OA, then this one complete rotation is your 360 degree, right? So one complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. Now complete rotation means starting from here to you have to come here. This is called one complete rotation, right? This is OA. So this is called a complete one rotation, right? This is complete one rotation, and one complete rotation is the length of this arc starting from A to here. That is circumference of the circle, and you know circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, but r is 1. Circumference is circumference is equal to 2 pi r for circle, but r is 1. So what is your answer? 2 pi. So one complete rotation, that is 360 degree. This is 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, right? That means 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. So if we divide by 2, that is 180 degree is equal to pi. If we divide this by 2, then 90 degree is pi by 2. And if we divide this by 2, then 45 degree is equal to pi by 4. And if we divide this by 2, that is 22.5 degree is pi by 8. Right? So remember this thing now. 360 degree, that is 2 pi radian. 360 degree, this is 2 pi radian, that is 360 degree 2 pi radian, 180 degree pi radian, 90 degree pi by 2 radian, and 45 degree pi by 4 radian, right? So you have to remember this. आपको ये याद रखना है. अभी डिग्री मेजरमेंट गया, 30 डिग्री 40 डिग्री गया, 90 डिग्री गया, अभी रेडियन आएगा. So 945 degree is pi by 4 radian. Got it? So based on method for remembering this degree measure into radian measure, remember only one. 180 is equal to pi radian, right? So after practicing, you know pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Half of pi is pi by 2. Half of 180 is 90, and 90 is pi by 2 radian. And then 45 degree is pi by 4. Half of 90. 90 is pi by 2, then half of 90 is pi by 4, right? So remember, 180 pi radian, 90 degree pi by 2 radian, 45 degree pi by 4 radian, and 360 degree is 2 pi radian, right? Now degree measure to radian measure. How we convert degree measure to radian measure? The formula, right? So degree measure to radian measure, right? I'm giving you formula to radian measure. So for converting degree measure into radian measure, this is the formula. Suppose you have given theta degree and you want to convert in radian measure, then you have to multiply theta by radian upon degree. So this is your radian measure. So keep radian measure in numerator and divide by degree measure. Given theta, you may change this into radian measure. And radian measure to degree measure, use this formula, right? Suppose radian measure you want is alpha radian, then this is alpha into. Now you want to convert in degree measure, so keep degree measure, that is 180 in numerator and radian pi in denominator. So 180 into pi, this is degree measure, right? So radian to degree, degree to radian. Now we convert our standard angle of degree measure into radian measure. There is first 30 degree using this formula. Now I want this change to this degree measure to radian measure. Then what is the answer? 30 into, keep radian measure in numerator, that is pi by 180. This is radian. So this is 6. So pi by 6 radian. So 30 degree is now pi by 6 radian. Then 45 degree, this you know, pi by 4. But I want to derive from this formula also. So 45 into pi by 180 radian, right? So 45 by into 4 is 180. So this is pi by 4 radian. This is pi by 4 radian. Then 60 degree. So 60 degree is equal to 60 into pi by 3. So this is pi upon 180 radian. So this is pi by 3 radian. So this is pi by 3 radian, right? So 30 degree means pi by 6 radian, 45 degree pi by 4 radian, 60 degree pi by 3 radian, 90 degree is pi by 2 radian, and 45 again 180 degree is pi radian, that you know, right? Now try pi by 6. So pi by 6 is your radian measure, and you want to convert it into a degree measure. So radian to degree formula is radian measure pi by 6. Now we want to change this into a degree measure, so you have to keep degree measure in numerator, that is 180 upon radian measure is pi. So pi by cancel and this is 3. So answer is 30. So pi by 6 means 30 degree, right? Similarly, you can verify any radian measure for degree measure, right? So remember, pi 180 degree, 2 pi 360 degree, then half of 180 degree is 90. So 90 means pi by 2, and half of 90 is 45. That is pi by 2 half is pi by 4. So 45 degree pi by 4 radian, 90 degree pi by 2 radian, 30 degree is pi by 6 radian, and 60 degree is pi by 3 radian. So while there is a 3, जहाँ आपके पास 6 है वहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में 3 आएगा, 3 है वहाँ 6 आएगा. So 30 means pi by 6, 60 3 आएगा तो pi by 3 हो जाएगा. pi by 6 बाई 6 है तो रेडियन में जाना है, रेडियन से डिग्री में जाना है तो 30 डिग्री हो जाएगा, राइट? सो व्हाइल देयर इज अ 3 यू हैव टू राइट 6 and 6 then 3. So 3 and 6 interchange. 90 means pi by 2, 45 means pi by 4, right? So this is a very important aspect for you to remember. So how we change degree measure into radian measure and radian measure into a degree measure, okay?